cool things in my house.
So for this cool things in my house, let us check out my awesome 1980s Barbie house. Now, I know I already shared how I got this and how I put it all together and everything, but it's worth sharing again, absolutely. And if you missed the original video, it of course will be linked down below for you. But let's take a look. Here's Totally Hair Barbie. Look at, there's Chantal, there's Nancy, there is Western Winking Barbie. Of course, they're all dressed for the colder weather because it is still winter here. Oh, and here we have Francoise in the makeup area, of course. Guy, I don't know why he's by the toilet, but that's where he lives. And there's me. Look, it's Refashionista Sheri's little workshop area, and Citrus Maloney doing some social media, I'm sure, on her little computer and laptop and everything. And of course down here we have the kitchen that has little bits of food and piano, and Frau Inge in the elevator all ready to go up to check that everyone's working, of course. And there's Esther. Isn't she stunning? Also, are you digging my awesome faux fur pink rug? I love it so much. And I got it from the boys set sale. And if you missed that video, it'll be down below for you too. And there's my suitcase full of Barbie clothes. It did have all my Barbies in it before. And again, I'll link that video down below for you. And here's something I have not shared yet, and I do have a video in the works to share my Barbie camper. And this is actually the exact same camper that I had when I was very, very little, and I bought mine at a garage sale for like 10 cents. This one cost me a bit more, and I had to do a bunch of work on it. So as I said, that video will be coming very soon. But until then, enjoy my lovely, gorgeous Barbie house here.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.